Hello student, this is Swada from Holy Children Public School and Hostel. Before watching this video, press bell icon, like and subscribe this channel to get more exciting information. So today I am here to teach you mathematics of class 8 chapter 6, that is factorization. First topic is factor. When an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expressions, then each expression is called factor. For example, so there is a question, what is the factor of x square minus 16? So when you try to solve this question, you will find that x plus 4 and x minus 4 both are the factors of x square minus 16. Next point is factorization. The process of finding two or more expression when product is the given expression is called factorization. For example, the first question is we have to find out the factorization of the given question. So first question is 1 plus a plus ab plus a square b. This is the question, so we have to consider the first two factors. Okay, so 1 plus a, so here we can take the LCM 1, right, the common factor 1. So if we take the common factor 1, we will left with 1 plus a in bracket and plus the rest of the part is ab plus a square b in the first question. So in the factor ab plus a square b, I'm showing you that ab plus a square b, in ab plus a square b we can take the common factor, that is ab, right? So ab is removed from the factors, so we will left with the 1 plus a. So now we have two factors. Now we have to collect the common factor in one bracket, right? So we have 1 plus ab as a common factor and plus, we have to put plus, and we have to take the same factor, that is 1 plus a, which is present two times here, right? So 1 plus a and the common factor, that is 1 plus ab. So this one is the answer. Let's move to the next question, that is factorization of xy minus pq plus qy minus pz. So here you will see that in second question that we first of all we have to arrange the same kind of expression. So I have arranged xy minus px, so here, so that we have common factor here x plus qy minus pq, so here, so that we have a common factor, that is q. Now we have to take a common factor, now we have to take the common one. So I'm taking here the common one, x as x in bracket y minus p. We will left with y minus p plus, now we have the common factor q. So I'm taking here the common factor q and we will left with y minus p, so that we will left with x plus q in one bracket and y minus p in other bracket. So this one is our final answer, so that so that we can find the answer of such kind of questions.